Good morning, students. Welcome to Good Samaritan School online classes. Yesterday, we talked about the versatile nature of carbon compounds. That means the two very important characters or two important characteristics of carbon which makes it a versatile or unique in nature. One is catenation, the second one is tetravalency of carbon. In today's topic, we are going to learn the saturated and unsaturated carbon compounds. Okay, first of all, just we are going to learn on what are saturated and what are unsaturated compounds. Saturated compounds are nothing but those, in other words, the carbon and carbon must have as if they have a single bonded, if they are attached with a single bond, are said to be saturated. Okay, unsaturated, as we discussed before in the versatile nature of carbon, the double bond and triple bonds are said to be unsaturated carbon compounds. So single bond are said to be saturated, double and triple bond are said to be unsaturated carbon compounds. So in this class we are going to learn on how the saturated compounds form and what are the names of these saturated compounds, and what are unsaturated compounds, how they form, and also what are the names given to this unsaturated carbon compounds. So first we are going to learn on saturated carbon compounds. Saturated carbon compounds are nothing but, you all know that carbon has 4 valencies, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and in each of these 4 valencies they should have satisfied with the single bond. Okay, so that is actually saturated. Okay, that means if carbon is combined with another carbon with a single bond, okay, everywhere you can see only single bonds, so there is no double or triple bond. So that type of bonding or this carbon is satisfied, and that is said to be a saturated carbon compounds. So we have a name for that, and that is said to be alkanes. Okay, it is alkane. Ane, it means ane comes only for single bonded. Single bond always have anes. Okay, and we have a general formula for this. It is CnH2n plus 2. So this is the general formula for alkanes. In exam they can ask this question in 1 mark question also, what is the general formula for alkanes. So you should know that, right? Let's learn even more deeper about this alkanes. Before going into this alkane groups, let us learn what are the members of these carbon groups. Okay, so that means if only one carbon is present, it means we give a name as meth. Okay, if 2 carbon is there, then we are going to give a name as eth. Okay, so like that it goes on. And 3 carbon atoms, I am not making a structure. If you want, you can make a structure like this: 3 carbon atom with single bond. Okay, it is prop. So like that we have. So if single bond carbon, if carbon is attached with only single bonds, for example if C is there and they have a valency of 4 valencies, and each valencies they are attached with hydrogen. Okay, so what is the name we are going to give? So all are attached with single bonds everywhere, right? So it is actually CH4, 1 carbon and 4 hydrogens. So we gave a name as methane. Similarly, you can do for eth also. For example, if we have 2 carbons, right? 2 carbons. Each carbon consists of, let me draw it here so that you can understand, 2 carbon, and each carbon consists of 4 valencies: 1, 2, 3, 4, and this carbon also 1, 2, 3 and 4. So one bond is formed between these two. When 2 dots combine, they form a single bond. Okay, and each dot, 1 hydrogen is going to be attached. Okay, So each dot I am attaching this with hydrogens. So we can join these two dots to become a bond. So what is the formula comes here? It is C2H 1 2 3 4 5 6 H6. So this is actually because carbon and carbon combines with a single bond. So we are going to write the very important name that एन तो यहाँ पे आना चाहिए क्योंकि सिंगल बॉन्ड है तो एल्केन. ओके, दैट एन मतलब सिंगल बॉन्ड होता है. यहाँ पे भी सिंगल बॉन्ड है. दैट इज वाई वी आर राइटिंग इट एज ईथेन. Will you all understand this? Okay, let's try with propane. How we can do with propane? 3 carbon. So 1, 2, 3 carbon. Each carbon consists of 4 valencies. 1, 2, 3, 4. This carbon also 1, 2, 3, 4. This carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. So each carbon hydrogen is going to be attached. Here it is attached. Here is going to attach. Here it is going to attach. Right? So everywhere after attaching hydrogen, you can see that even the valencies or the octet configuration will also be satisfied in this. You see that hydrogen is satisfied with 2. You see that if you look at it, each and everything, hydrogen all satisfied. And you take this carbon, it is satisfied with 8 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Will you understand this? Yes. And this carbon also is satisfied with 8 electron, and this also satisfied with 8 electron. This is actually the dot structure for propane. See, I even made a dot structure for propane. If I want to make a simple structure like this, I can write like this: CH3, okay, and then CH2 and CH3. Will you understand this? The same structure I am making this with only bond. The bond between carbon and carbon is what? Single bond only. So this can be written as 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon है तो prop. Because they have a single bond between them, we write it as ane. And this ane is because it is attached with a single bond. This is very, very important, student. You have to keep it in your mind. If you write the other one like ene लिख दिया तो double bond आने के time ene लिखेंगे हम. That we will be learning in the next topic. Right? So this is for propane. Okay. So if carbon 4 is 4 है तो क्या लिखना है? It is butane. For C5 is pentane. C6 is hexane. I want everyone to please learn this. It's very, very important. C7 is heptane. C8, that means carbon, 8 carbon attached together. It is octane. C9, nenane. And C10 is dectane. Okay, so I can just make a like this: 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon attached with a single bond. So we write it as a butane. So everywhere you can see this. Here you should not leave this carbon just like that. You have to attach hydrogen and then only it is completely satisfied. So 1, 2, 3. Already 1 is there. So 4 completely satisfied. And this carbon is having 1, 2 only. So it needs 4 satisfied. And this carbon 2 only. So here 2. 4 satisfied. Yes. So after satisfied only you have to write this hydrogen. So all these carbons are satisfied. So how can I write the formula for this butane? Count the carbon atom first. 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atom. C4. ओके सी कितने हैं 1 2 3 4. कितने हाइड्रोजन है यहाँ पे? हाइड्रोजन कितने हैं 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 हाइड्रोजन्स. So it is actually butane. Okay, what is the formula for propane? It should be C3H8. You can count and see. So like that I want everyone please do the same structure for pentane and hexane in the next class. and I want you to do these two as your homework. Will you all do this, student? Yes, we'll move on to the next topic now. The next topic we are going to learn unsaturated carbon compounds. Before we learned only saturated carbon compounds, there we learned only alkane. Alkanes means single bond. The bond between carbon and carbon is a single bond. Okay, let's before starting this unsaturated carbon compounds, let's start with this general formula. General formula, how we can use this? Let's try with general formula. So we'll use this general formula for alkane and we'll try for that. Okay, if n is nothing but number of carbon atom, n is equal to number of carbon atoms. Suppose we can substitute one here. अगर one substitute करेंगे two, one carbon है तो it's methane, right? Yes, meth. Two है तो yes, it is ethane. So like that we are going to do that. Let's try with methane. We'll start with methane. Carbon atom 1. Number of carbon. I'll make a tabular column so that it will be easy for understand. Here number of carbon atom. For example, first number of carbon atom 1. ये कहते हो कितने आएंगे? Okay. यहाँ पे कितने हाइड्रोजन होगा? 2n. n में भी 1 सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है, right? Plus 2. Because number of carbon atom is 1. So 2 into 2 plus 2. So 2 plus 2 कितने आएंगे? 4 आएंगे. And formula of an alkane में substitute कर दो, क्या आएंगे? Carbon 1. That is CN1. H2n plus 2. Okay, will you able to substitute here 1 also? Like we did here. So CH4 आएंगे. What is CH4? It is methane. Let's try with the other formula, with the other one. If carbon atom is 2, number of hydrogen atom क्या होगा? 2 into 2 plus 2. Why I am substituting 2? Because number of carbon atom is 2. So 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 2, yes, 6. And here you have to substitute in the formula. C formula is CnH2n. Cn का मतलब Cn is 2, H2n plus 2. 2n plus 2 किया था हम, कितने आया? 6 आया. So C2H6. What is the name here? It's ethane. How to make a structure for this? First it is C2, दो कार्बन बना दिया, and each carbon consists of 3 hydrogens. So C2H6 ethane. Understood all of you? Yes. This is the same way you have to do for all the things. You can even do it very simply. You have to substitute that number of carbon atom in the formula. Like CnH2n में plus 2 में आप जितना कार्बन आइटम का फार्मूला बनाना है वो तो सब्स्टिट्यूट करना पड़ेगा. कैसे करना है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई वांट टू फाइंड फॉर ब्यूटेन, ब्यूटेन है तो C ब्यूटेन इज 4, ब्यूट मीन्स 4, H 2 into 2 plus 2, सॉरी 2 into 2 4, क्योंकि 2n है ना, प्लस 2. सो कितने आएंगे इधर? C4 H 2n, 2 into 4 8, 8 plus 2 10, so H10. So butane का formula is C4H10 and that is actually for butane. Understood all of you? Like the same way you have to do for all the things, alkenes and alkynes. Next thing is the unsaturated hydrocarbon double bond. Okay, if double bond, we always give a name as alkene. See that? It's ALKENE. This means a double bond. Okay, double bond. Okay, let's try with this. can you make a general formula? Let's start with general formula. What is the general formula for an alkene? It is CnH2n. That's it. Not a big formula. Is it very simple, guys? Alkene. As we know that double bond should comes in between carbon and carbon. Okay. So will you find any carbon and carbon in methane? Methane means only one carbon. So where is the double bond comes? So you cannot see a double bond in meth. So you cannot see a meth here. So double bond start with eth. Eth means two carbons. Shall we do now? So the formula is CnH2n. We can substitute here with one carbon. Carbon 2. If number of carbon here is 2, then we substitute here C2H2 into 2. So what is the formula comes? C2H4. C2H4. How can we draw the structure for this? First we make carbon 2 carbon bonds, and each consists of 2 hydrogen in there. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, as we all know that carbon has 4 valencies, right? यहाँ पे कितने दिया? 1, 2, 3 ही है. ये कहाँ पे चलेगी? यहाँ पे भी देखो, ये कार्बन में कितने हैं? 4 है ना? 1, 2, 3 only. So where is the other one? Yes, you have to draw a double bond here. Now count it. Carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is that is why we name them as alkenes. That means there is a double bond formed between carbon and carbon. Okay, let's try with the butane. So what is the number of carbon atom in butane? कितने हैं? Butene. So just a second. If double bond comes in between carbon and carbon, you have to name them as ene. So here it is 2 carbon means eth, right? Eth. And double bond आया इसलिए तो हम क्या लिखना है? ethene लिखना है. Understood? The name of this compound is ethene. If I write ethane, that means I have to write it here with the single bond. Once I write ethene, then I have to prove here there must be some double bond present in this. Okay, let's try with butene. Butene मतलब क्या है? 4 carbon atom. Formula, general formula is CnH2n. Substitute 4 here with the n. C4H2 into 4. So कितने आएंगे? C4H 2 4s are 8. Understood all of you? Okay, let's draw the structure for this. Once we got the formula of butene, then you have to make a structure. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can ask me a question, sir, why you are making in single bond? You have to wait for that. Okay, first we make it in a single bond. And here we have 8 hydrogen atoms. See, I just want you to tell you one thing. अगर यहाँ पे ये डबल बॉन्ड लिखा है, सिंगल बॉन्ड लिखा है ना कार्बन एंड कार्बन के बीच में, कहीं पे आप एक डबल बॉन्ड लगा सकते. ओके, डोंट मेक इट फॉर 2 प्लेसेस. 2 प्लेस में नहीं बनाना है. अगर एक ही प्लेस में बना सकते, ये इधर हियर और हियर और हियर. It is up to you. So I am going to make it here. Once you made a double bond at any one place, enough. Don't make it is not compulsory that you have to make double bond in all the places between carbon and carbon. It's not compulsory. Okay. So once you made a double bond at any one of the place between carbon and carbon, now you go for making hydrogens here. So this carbon already have 1, so you need to have attach 3 here. It needs to satisfy 4, right? 4 valencies. Okay. And this carbon already have 1, 2, 3. So कितने लगाना है hydrogen? एक ही लगाना. Very good. Now only it is satisfied with 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this carbon already have 1, 2, 3. So कितने लगाना है? एक ही लगाना है. Very good. And here this carbon have only 1. So you need to attach 3 more. Understand? Okay, now count the number of hydrogen atom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is it satisfied here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Carbon atom 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hydrogen 8. So this is the structure for butene. Why I write ene? Because I saw there is a double bond between a carbon and carbon. You can ask me a question, sir, is it possible I can make double bond at here on the corner? Why not? You can make. Can we make another structure for pentene? Yes, we'll make it for pentene. Pentene is 5. 5 means pent, and formula is CnH2n, and it is C5H2 into 5. What is the formula here? C5H2 5s are 10. So this is the structure of pentene. So how can we make a formula of pentene? Structure कैसे बनाना है? पहले 5 carbon बनाना है, and किसी पे आप double bond. As I told you, we made it at the middle, so I am going to make it at the corner now. एक ही place काफ़ी है. There is no need for make a double bond in all the places. No need. Okay, now this carbon have only 2 here, so it needs 2 more. So 1 here, another here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 satisfied. This carbon 1, 2, 3 already there, so only 1 you have to write. This carbon 2 already there, so 2 we need to write. This also need 2 hydrogen, and this we need 3 hydrogens to satisfy their valency. Now count the number of carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, C5. And how many hydrogen atom? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. So it satisfies the formula. So what is the name of this? It's 5 carbon atom pent, and because they have a double bond here, so I have to write it as ene, pentene. So this is the formula for pentene. Okay student, this is the end of the class today, and we have learned 2 things. One is saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated hydrocarbons, and in that we learned only alkanes and alkenes. So in the next class we'll be learning alkynes and also isomers. Okay, if you have any doubt on this topic we have learned, please ask me in my WhatsApp number. Thank you and have a nice day.